Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Last week I went to a very unique boba tea shop. I tried a new drink and fell in love with it right away. The ingredients are very simple, but the combination of taro and coconut mochi with jasmine green tea is just amazing. So let us make a copycat version. To make the taro paste, I will be using fresh taro. But if you cannot find it at the grocery store, you can use frozen taro. Now let's peel the taro skin. Cut the taro into pieces at around this size. It will be easier to cook and reduce the cooking time. Remember to wear gloves because there is a substance called sapono in the taro. This substance will make your hand itchy and uncomfortable. I'm going to boil the taro till it becomes soft. I have tried steaming and hope to keep the taro flavor, but I think it's not so efficient for two reasons. Firstly, it takes so much time, and secondly, I always have to keep an eye on the water level to avoid the pot from getting burnt. Once the water starts boiling, I reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for another 20 minutes. To test if the taro is ready, we can use a chopstick to poke them. As you can see, the taro texture is very soft and cooked through. Now we need to mash the taro. Lastly, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well. The sugar will make the taro paste smoother. For the mochi paste, we are going to mix 100 gram glutinous rice flour, 200 gram water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 200 gram coconut milk in a bowl. Once our mixture is prepared, bring some water to boil in a pot. When the water starts boiling, we can place the bowl with the mixture on top of it and stir it until it starts to harden. As soon as the mixture reaches a sticky texture, we can start folding and pounding it, just like the Japanese. The pounding will improve the texture of the mochi, making it more elastic. Now we can prepare the tea. To brew the jasmine green tea, we will need 8 grams of jasmine tea and 400 ml hot water. Let the tea rest for 5 minutes to bring the aroma out. In the glass, we will add the taro paste and 100 ml of milk and mix it with a spoon. Next, we pour the jasmine green tea and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar syrup. Now we can add in some ice cubes, and last but not least, add the mochi. If you're a big fan of taro and mochi, then I highly recommend you try this, because the flavor is really quite unique. I hope I was able to introduce you to an amazing drink, especially since this drink is quite new. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you again on Friday. Bye!